What if I told you that you can actually earn in Naira for just playing Ludo games? Yes, you heard me right. You will earn in Naira for just playing Ludo games. So, guys, welcome to this channel, and let me show you the step-by-step process on how to go about that. So, now the name of this platform is Ludo Naira. It's called Ludo Naira. So, Ludo Naira is basically an app that you go there to play games, Ludo games, with strategy and skill. So when you win, you get rewarded with some. Yeah. So now this is how the app looks like once you first sign in. Once you are new to the app, bear it in mind that it's one email per device. So when you sign in, it will look like it. When you just download the app, it look like this. So you continue with Google, you provide your Google email, and you are good to go. So if you use my link, you get 100 naira bonus that will use to show you how the app looks like, how it runs, and how the Ludo works. So now let me show you the app. Let me go to the app to show you how it looks like. So yeah, this is how the app actually looks like. This is my current balance. I've actually withdrawn today. So that's why the balance is low. So you can play with 30 naira. A competition between 4 people, and it has many slots, so you can play in the night, in the morning, anytime you are ready. Just have a stable network and you are good to go. So if you accumulate the highest point, if you get the highest point, you get 55 naira, and you play with 100 naira. This is between two players, as you can see here, two players. You get 160 naira if you win. You can play with 3,000 naira. You can actually deposit. I'm actually going to make a video on how to deposit properly so that you don't lose your money. Now they have what they call Ludo Naira League. This is for the skilled ones. If you know you are not very skilled, I'll advise you don't play these ones, because this ones is competition. As you can see here, 572 of 2,500 slots filled, and it closes in 12 hours. So if you are the one that accumulates the highest points in this league within this time frame, you'll be able to get 20,000 naira, and it is instantly withdrawable. Yes, the minimum withdrawal is 200 naira. Above 200 naira, 201 naira, you can be able to withdraw straight to your bank account. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any question about this app, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be answering all your questions.